Hello traders, today is the 26th of October 2010 and a happy trading week to you all directly from the headquarters of the TSTW SYS08. This video is about the unfair advantage trading system, the TSTW SYS08. We have designed carefully this powerful tool, the TSTW SYS08, and we are very proud to release on the 24th of October 2010 the ultimate trading system, the TSTW SYS08. Looking at this chart here, this is the Euro USD, my favorite currency pair, because this currency pair is highlighting the movement of the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Index, okay, and also gold. And so it's a very important currency pair in the market in order to understand what's going on in the market. So if you are trading stock, you are trading auction, you are trading futures, E-mini, whatever you are trading, you must pay attention to the Euro USD. The other currency pair that you must pay attention to is the dollar yen currency pair. These two currency pair must be watched at all times. Okay. Looking at this chart here, we have 5 minutes of the Euro USD. And looking at this chart only, what sort of decision will you make? Okay. Because if you want to have a successful winning trend, you need to buy when it is time to buy and sell when it is time to sell. If it was no time to sell and then you sell, you will not be happy with the result of your trading. If it was no time to buy and you buy, you will not be happy with your trading decision. So it is important to time your trade carefully, especially for those who are day trading, talking about a short period of time that you have to quickly make your decision, considering the volatility of the market and the competition about the day trading. When somebody look at this chart, what kind of decision this person will make? I believe the decision of this person will be based only on what the person is looking at here. We switch back now to 15-minute chart. Okay, we'll look at 15-minute chart and see whether we can see similar decision. We can make the same decision looking at the same thing. We have a movement to the downside and the price standing around here. What kind of decision can we make looking at this 50-minute chart? We have various of traders in a different time frame in the market. Some even on 1-minute chart, some even on 30-second chart frame. And so there is a confusion in the market. So when you are buying in one particular time frame, another person is selling another time frame. And some person is holding back, and people taking profit. And it's a lot of things going on in the market. We're now going to look at the 30-minute chart. And this is what I call the confusion of the different time frame. But there is no confusion in the market because the price does not hide anything. I repeat, the price, the number one indicator, does not hide anything. The market is your friend. Looking at this 30-minute chart, somebody may say we have the ABCD pattern, which we may say is a bullish pattern, and you may make your decision according to that information here. Another person looking at the 60-minute chart, going back to the 60-minute chart, will look at something like this and say this looks a bit like a head and shoulder pattern here. You may say this is a shoulder, hold on please. You may say this is one shoulder here. You may say this is the head here, and this is another shoulder here. So this person may draw a trend line like this on this chart and say I have a head and shoulder pattern. You see the confusion? Somebody on the 30-minute chart is looking at something that looks like a ABCD pattern. Another person on the hourly chart thinks that this is a head and shoulder pattern. We now go to the 2-hour chart frame. Another person sitting on the 2-hour chart is what the person will see. The person may say that, oh, right now, we are at this level here. It's a support level. And the person may say, right now, what do we see on this chart? We have an inverted head and shoulder. This is what the person is seeing. This is about the confusion of a different time frame. So the person on the hourly chart is looking at something that looks like a double a head and shoulder head and shoulder chart pattern, and another person on the 2-hour chart is looking at something that looks like an inverted head and shoulder pattern. What is going on? But we know that the market does not hide anything. And the price is your friend. Believe me, the price is your friend. It does not hide anything. Whatever activity people are doing in the market is right there in front of you. So which time frame do you use? Or what kind of combination of time frame do you use? Now we go and look on the 4-hour chart. More than 80% of traders are losing consistently and abundantly. And it is our duty at www.stochasticmarket.com to make sure that the percentage of the winning traders is improving. That's why we are busy, working day in, day out to give to traders for the first time tools that work. Repeat, tools that work. No more nonsense. This is about the TSTW SYS-08. This is the 4-hour chart. Quickly, I'll clear all my drawing on this chart because I say if you cannot draw, do not trade. So somebody looking on this chart also may see something like an inverted head and shoulder. Okay? On the other hand, talking about an inverted head and shoulder, here, here, and here, another person may turn around and say, no, it's still bearish because we have a lower high here. And another person may look at it and see something else. This is the confusion of a different time frame. Going back to the daily chart, my special intraday daily chart, the 1440 minute chart frame, 24 times 60 minutes. What do we see there? We see clearly here, a price displaying here in this part here, an inverted head and shoulder. Now it's on the upside here. This is what we see on my special daily chart, what I call the intraday daily chart. But looking carefully on this chart here, you will see that somebody may look at this and see that the price has finished 5 waves. First wave, which is up to this level here. The second wave, up to this level here. We continue to observe what's going on here. And another person will see, and there's the third wave. Bear with me 1 second while I'm doing this. Okay, I'll get there. I'll get there definitely. I'll get there. I'll get there. And the third wave, and somebody may say the fourth wave here, and the fifth wave right there. Okay. So this is what we are looking at in a different time frame. So somebody here looking at it from this angle will say first wave, second wave, third wave. Okay. And the fourth wave and the fifth wave. And people using all sorts of tools in the market. So which one is telling the truth? I'll quickly show you. We'll leave that for now. I will tell you another time what's going on here. The price, as you can see in a different time frame, is telling us a different thing. But it's the same thing. It's the same Euro USD currency pair. So it's the same thing we are looking at in a different time frame. So which combination do we use to make a successful trading decision? This is the challenge of every trader. Trading is about timing. There is a time to buy and there is a time to sell. If you buy when there was a time to buy, you will be rewarded. If you sell when it is time to sell, you will be rewarded. This is about the accurate timing. The signal is one thing. Most trading decision, most trading system will give you a signal. But people do not tell you that the signal is one thing. And people see the signal and they jump and take the signal. So they have a signal to sell, people sell. People, they don't pay attention to the time. They have a signal to buy, people buy. They don't pay attention to the time. But we at the TSTW24 and TSTW SYS-08, we know that when we receive a signal, we must ask the second question. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? But we went even further. With the TSTW SYS-08, the timing and the signal has become one. This is what I call the unfair advantage. This allows you to control the risks and to have also the unfair advantage over other traders and to compete with the best trader out there. I hope you understand the importance of trading decision that you will make accurate trading decision in order to be a successful trader. If you want to get the TSTW SYS08, you need to go to www.stochasticmarkd.com, www.stochastic-markd.com to get your copy before it is too late. We wish you the very best in your trading. Whatever you do, wherever you are, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.